Businesses to watch, a spotlight on Sahara Waterproofing, a full-service state-of-the-art basement waterproofing company specializing in sump pumps, French drains, basement walls, and floors. Sahara Waterproofing, your solution to water problems.
Hi, this is Bobby Ozarzak, owner of Sahara Waterproofing, family-owned and operated, and in business since 1996. We use no high-pitched salesmen and use no subcontractors, and I am on every job site. So when you call Sahara Waterproofing, ask for Bobby.
Sahara Waterproofing specializes in sump pumps, interior and exterior French drains, cementing those old stone basement walls, and epoxy coatings for garage and basement floors. All types of concrete and stucco work. Call Sahara Waterproofing today. 1-855-PA-NO-WATER. Businesses to watch. Sahara Waterproofing. Committed to getting the job done right the first time. From the moment Sahara Waterproofing enters your home, you'll receive worry-free quality products and service. Stay dry. Call 1-855-PA-NO-WATER. 1-855-PA-NO-WATER. Businesses to watch, a spotlight on Sahara Waterproofing, a full-service state-of-the-art basement waterproofing company specializing in sump pumps, French drains, basement walls, and floors.